Right then, let's talk about proper comfort food. I mean, the kind of food that gives you a great big hug from the inside out. When the wind is howling and it's all a bit grey and miserable outside, you need something that bubbles away on the stove, steam rising, filling your kitchen with the most incredible, deep and gorgeous smells. This lamb shank and lentil stew is exactly that. It's one of those brilliant one-pot wonders that pretty much looks after itself. You just get everything in the pot. Then you can put your feet up with a nice cuppa while the magic happens. It's honest, it's rustic, and it's an absolute joy to eat. First things first, let's get all our lovely ingredients, our mise en place, all sorted. Organization is key, people. It makes cooking so much more relaxed and enjoyable. You'll want 2 to 4 beautiful lamb shanks. Get them from a butcher you trust if you can. Then grab about a cup of green lentils. Give them a quick rinse under cold water in a sieve. 1 lovely onion, 2 carrots, a couple of cloves of garlic. Chop the onion and carrots. Rustic cuts are fine. Finely mince the garlic. You'll need a standard tin of chopped tomatoes, about 14 ounces or 400 grams. They'll break down and add sweetness and body. About 2 cups of stock, beef or chicken stock. Use what you've got. If you fancy it, grab a cup of red wine. It adds fantastic depth of flavor. Don't use anything you wouldn't drink. A decent, robust red is perfect. A little glug for the pot, a little glug for the chef. Now for the aromatics, the bits that will make your kitchen smell absolutely amazing. A couple of fresh rosemary sprigs. If you can't get fresh, use a teaspoon of dried. Pop in a bay leaf. Rosemary and bay, classic pair. Salt, freshly ground black pepper, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Lay everything out on the counter. You're ready. Pat the lamb shanks dry with kitchen paper. This helps them get a lovely brown crust when searing. Sprinkle salt and pepper all over. So don't be shy. Seasoning at every stage is one of the simple secrets, right? All our players are on the field. Now the fun part begins. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Grab your biggest, heaviest pot or a good old Dutch oven. Get it on the stove over a medium-high heat. Drizzle in your olive oil and let it get nice and hot. You'll know it's ready when it shimmers a little. Now carefully place your seasoned lamb shanks into the pot. You should hear a beautiful sizzle. That's the sound of flavor being made right there. We want to brown them on all sides. Give them about 3 minutes per side. Give them about 4 minutes per side. Let them get a proper, deep, golden brown color. This step is mega important. It's not about cooking the meat through. It's about creating that incredible, rich base flavor for our stew. Once your shanks are beautifully browned, take them out of the pot and pop them on a plate for a minute. Don't you dare wash that pot. All those sticky brown bits at the bottom are pure gold. Turn the heat down a little to about medium. Tumble in your chopped onion, tumble in your carrots. Give them a good stir, scraping up some of those lovely bits as you go. We want to let these sweat down for about 5 minutes. Let them soften up and get a little bit sweet. You'll see the onions start to go a bit translucent. Now it's time for the garlic. Add your minced garlic to the pot and cook it for just another minute. Keep it moving with your spoon so it doesn't catch and burn, because burnt garlic is no one's friend. Trust me. You just want to cook it until it smells wonderfully fragrant. At this point, your kitchen should be smelling absolutely knockout. This is the foundation of our stew, and we've built it up beautifully. It's these simple little steps that make all the difference between a good stew and a truly brilliant one. Right? The veg is soft and sweet, the garlic is fragrant, and we're ready for the next stage. Here we go, time to deglaze the pan. This sounds fancy, but it's dead simple. Pour in your red wine if you're using it, or just a splash of your stock. As it bubbles up, use a wooden spoon to scrape all those gorgeous caramelized brown bits off the bottom of the pot. Get every last bit. Let the wine bubble away for a minute to cook off the alcohol. It will mix with the veg and create a stunning base. Now let's build this stew. Tip in your tinned tomatoes, the rest of your stock, your rinsed green lentils. Give everything a good stir to mix it all together. Chuck in your fresh rosemary sprigs and the bay leaf. This fragrant liquid is going to be the bath that our lamb shanks relax in for the next few hours. It looks amazing already, doesn't it? A beautiful rustic mix of colors and textures. This is what home cooking is all about. It's time to reunite the lamb with the lovely sauce. Gently nestle the browned lamb shanks back into the pot. Push them down a bit so they are mostly submerged in all that gorgeous liquid. They should be snug as a bug in a rug. Bring the whole thing up to a gentle simmer on the stove, then pop a tight-fitting lid on top. The lid is crucial because it traps all the steam and moisture inside, which helps to keep the lamb succulent and tender as it cooks. Now for the easy part, you've got options here. You can either leave it on the stove on your lowest possible heat for about 2 to 2.5 hours, or you can do what I like to do and whack it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. In the oven, it'll need about 2.5 to 3 hours. If you've got a slow cooker, even better. Just tip everything in and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. Whichever way you do it, the goal is the same. Cook it low and slow until that lamb is so tender it's literally falling off the bone. After a few hours, your whole house will be filled with the most incredible, rich and comforting aroma. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Carefully take the pot out of the oven and lift the lid. Be careful, a lot of hot steam will escape. The stew should look thick, dark, and absolutely delicious. The test for doneness is simple. Take a fork and give one of the lamb shanks a gentle nudge. If the meat just falls away from the bone with no resistance, you've nailed it. It should be buttery, soft, and incredibly tender. Before you serve, there are a couple of little jobs to do. Fish out the woody rosemary sprigs. Fish out the bay leaf. Now, have a taste of the stew. This is the most important part. Does it need a bit more salt? A good twist of black pepper? Now is the time to adjust the seasoning until it tastes absolutely perfect to you. If your stew looks a bit too thick, stir in a splash of hot water or stock to loosen it. If it's a bit thin, simmer it for a few minutes on the stove with the lid off to reduce it down. Bring the whole pot to the table for everyone to help themselves, or ladle it into big, warm bowls. Serve with a chunk of crusty bread, a dollop of creamy mashed potatoes on the side, some simple steamed green beans, a little sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley over the top, final close-up of the finished stew, stunning and ready to eat. Get it on the table, gather your favorite people and tuck in. Lovely jubbly.